What if I told you the air inside your home could be more polluted than outside air? Paints, furniture, cleaning products, and closed AC rooms silently release invisible chemicals into the air you breathe every single day. But nature has a quiet solution. Before we start, one honest truth. Indoor plants support air quality, but they are not a replacement for ventilation or air purifiers. Their real power lies in reducing toxic gases, settling fine dust, adding natural humidity, and improving breathing comfort, especially in closed AC rooms. Now let's see, which plants do what best? First, the Areca Palm. This plant works like a natural humidifier. It removes harmful gases like xylene and toluene, converts carbon dioxide into oxygen during the day, and adds moisture to dry indoor air. Perfect for living rooms and AC spaces. Next, the snake plant. Unlike most plants, it releases oxygen at night. It filters benzene, formaldehyde, and nitrogen oxides, and survives even with minimal care. Ideal for bedrooms and beginners. The money plant does more than bring good luck. It absorbs chemical fumes from paints and furniture and helps settle fine dust particles in the air. Best placed in corners and corridors. If your home has a gas stove, listen carefully. The spider plant filters carbon monoxide and formaldehyde from kitchen air. It's also pet safe, making it perfect for family homes. The rubber plant is a powerful dust trap. Its large waxy leaves capture dust and PM 2.5 particles from incoming air. Place it near doors or balconies. Bathrooms often trap mold and damp air. The peace lily absorbs mold spores and acetone and thrives in humid environments. Keep it away from pets. Dry skin, dry throat, dry nose. The Boston fern releases high moisture into the air, acting like a natural humidifier. Perfect for extremely dry rooms. Here's a smart one, Aloe Vera. It releases oxygen at night and acts as a pollution indicator. When indoor pollution rises, brown spots appear on its leaves. The English ivy helps reduce airborne mold spores and microscopic harmful particles. Excellent for bathrooms and high shelves. Finally, Tulsi, a plant rooted in tradition with antibacterial properties that helps filter sulfur dioxide from the air. Place it near windows or balconies. Plants may not replace machines, but they restore balance. Choose the right plant, place it in the right room, and your home will breathe naturally better. Which plant are you adding first? Like, share, and subscribe to Discover Agriculture for more nature-powered knowledge.